Well, this is the day that everybody in the crypto.com community using the app from crypto.com has been waiting for. And if you're new to crypto and you're looking for a place to get into the crypto market, especially if you're in the US, well, today, breaking news, crypto.com has officially launched their US exchange. This is extremely important information for US cryptocurrency traders. Why? Because in the United States, there is not really a good trading platform, a true trading platform that has existed for us to use, where you can go, specifically where you can go from your bank into cryptocurrency. I've been talking about Blowfin, and I like that a lot for leverage trading. And if you want to sign up, I got links for you down below. But I've also got a link for you guys to sign up for crypto.com. And the purpose of this video is not for you guys to sign up for crypto.com, as I'm sure many of you might think. But this is to inform US individuals, people that are new to crypto, people that have been in the crypto.com community, that there is now a better option than the crypto.com app. There is now a better option than the Coinbase app as well. Now we can use the crypto.com actual exchange where there is an order book where you can, what does this mean for you? Why am I so excited about it? Because now we can get cheaper prices. We can get better spreads. We can actually get easier trades in place. You can actually see the order book. You can put in effective stop losses, and you can put in effective buy orders and sell orders in a really nice, easy to see way, something that we've been waiting for a very long time. And there are some coins that are listed on that are not listed on the app, and vice versa. But this exchange is actually a very big deal for crypto.com. And it's a very big deal for the CRO token, which is why it is one of the top 10 movers today. Still struggling, though, at the resistance at about 14.5 cents. Why? What does this all mean, guys? I'm going to break it down for you in this video. So smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and just let me start off with this. Crypto.com, as you know, and if you don't, well, let me tell you, it's one of the most regulatory compliant exchanges, which is why it is one of the first exchanges to actually release a true UI experience, a true exchange type experience for American citizens. We have not had access to this for a while. It seems like the US was boxing out actual exchanges for a very long time, where we could use the apps, but we weren't really getting favorable prices. It wasn't that easy to use. If you wanted to use a major exchange, and I'm talking about a major exchange, guys, where you can go from your bank into crypto, like a place to onboard. Crypto.com is always the place where I've come in to onboard, because you can connect your bank to it, and it's super easy to get into, but now you've got the actual exchange. Again, like I like exchanges like Pheamax and Blowfin and whatever. There's a lot of other exchanges that you can use, but not where you can go from your bank into it. Crypto.com, you can. They've got their Visa cards. They're going to launch banking services. Well, they've officially launched their US exchange, and it's just one day after this. One day after the future president, well, he's actually our president now. One day after Donald Trump is inaugurated as the new president of the United States, president number 47, and you've got Chris, that's who this is right here on this on the screen here, sitting in the front row during this inaugural day, and he is a participant in the conversation with Capitol Hill, with the United States, for what comes next with cryptocurrency and the crypto industry. This is a big deal for crypto.com. This US exchange is officially live. Today is day one. Crypto.com exchange, our institutional grade venue, is now live in the US, because they're not going to get in trouble from the president or from the current presidential administration, Congress, the Senate. We now have a pro-crypto government in the US, and so now the exchange is live to celebrate this pro-crypto government, and it's very, very exciting. Again, if you guys have not signed up for crypto.com yet, it's probably one of the best places now to go in the US, and I didn't necessarily feel that way until this exchange was live when it came to trading, but if you're looking for a place to go from your bank into crypto, now that this is live, it is huge. This is a big deal, and you can actually trade on here effectively now instead of getting caught in some of the spreads that existed on the app that was really easy to use, and I like that app a lot, but this exchange is going to be tremendously better. Deep liquidity, stable banking rails, robust APIs for most demanding high-frequency traders, competitive fees, very competitive fees, and white glove service for all VIPs. Their exchange did $1.2 trillion in spot trading volume in the last year, and I think they're going to continue to grow their market share. This is very good for the CRO token. What we're seeing is some of the memes on Cronos actually get a little bit of a recovery today. Mary and Car are up 13%, which is nice to see. If you want to trade, a variety of, if you want to like leverage trade CRO on this news, well, you could sign up for Blowfin. You could also trade the Trump coin here, but you could trade CRO over here using leverage if that's something that you guys do want to do on Blowfin. But if you just want to experiment with just regular trading, swing trading, and get a familiarity with a real exchange, like a true major exchange where you can go from your bank into crypto, crypto.com is a great option now, and they don't have leverage trading there. And so if you're still looking for leverage trading, I'd still say, Blowfin is the spot that I like to go. But this is a historic day for crypto.com, my friends. What we saw was crypto.com present in terms of their brand awareness at the crypto ball, getting on these 2 projector screens at this event where we saw some major announcements. Actually, this was the night where the Trump meme coin was actually launched. And the craziest thing about what they've got going on right now is clearly they're excited about this new administration, but they're even excited about this new Trump meme. They actually, on the App Store, when you go to it, they're advertising buy Bitcoin and buy Trump, which is crazy to me. This is insanely bullish for crypto.com, this exchange launch. Right now, the CRO token is facing resistance, and we could see this break through resistance, but what we're going to need to see is our total market cap breakout. And so what I think is if you see our total market cap break through 3.73 trillion, then we can finally see CRO coin, I believe, break through this level as well and finally make it through 14.5 cents and try to make its way back to 23 cents here. What I'm not going to be surprised to see is altcoins continue to struggle versus Bitcoin, only because Bitcoin dominance is still rallying. And as long as Bitcoin dominance is still rallying, CRO coin is going to be limited on how much it can pump. You want your altcoin CRO to really explode. The US exchange listing was certainly good today. CRO coin is moving up today, but you want it to absolutely explode and have that really big move. Well, we're going to have to wait till this bull market gets a little bit more into it. We're going to have to wait till Bitcoin dominance starts to cool off to the downside. In the meantime, if you want to do a bunch of trading, crypto.com, launch their US exchange. Now, when you're taking profits, guys, you can take profits into your app. You can use their crypto.com Visa cards. You can use those to top up, get cash back in the form of crypto on any spending you do using their Visa cards, which are really cool. You get reimbursements on your Spotify and Netflix if you're in the proper tier. You get different staking yields and all these different things, which is super cool. I love crypto.com. I've loved it for a while. We've been talking about how I believe that CRO coin can go anywhere from $2 to $5 in this bull market. With this US exchange launch, they are holding true to their word according to their roadmap. I think they'll get a Cronos ETF coming at some point later in the year. That's good for the Cronos memes. That's good for the CRO token. But you want the big explosion. We need total market cap to really get that rocket ship blast off moment and really move past 3.7 trillion and start moving to 4 or 5 trillion. CRO coin is going to be at 20 cents in no time, guys. That is all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Huge news from Crypto.com with the U.S. exchange launch today. Things are looking good in 2025. What we still need is an executive order from the president about a national strategic reserve for Bitcoin and favorable tax advantages for U.S.-based crypto companies. And I believe now that Crypto.com has a headquarters here in Texas, they might be considered one of those too. Maybe you won't have to pay taxes on CRO. That's speculation. We don't know that for a fact at this point. That's all I got in this one, guys. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, do your own research, my friends, as always. I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.